Hi and welcome, Martina here with another sparkle and shine video for WOW embossing powders. Today I'm going to create a collage mixed media tag, and to do so I have made some preparations. I've been grabbing an MDF piece which is shaped as a tag, and I already glued a piece of mixed media paper onto my MDF tag. And then I can already start with my collage part. I'm using the Ranger matte transparent medium, and I'm generously putting the medium onto my paper, and then I am pressing die cuts into the still wet medium. And as soon as I like the position, I will go over the die cut with the wet brush, with the medium on the brush, just to make sure the die cuts stick and are covered in the medium. When I like the design, I let everything dry and can then start with the coloring. I've decided that I could use my Ranger Distress crayons, I think they're called. You could use any water soluble wax crayons. I think the Woodies, or I think the Neocolor 2. You just have to browse your stash and have a look on what you have. And as you see, I'm using a baby wipe. This is actually one of the very little occasions where I'm using baby wipes in my crafting, because these colors, when you are smearing them onto the project with the finger, it's great to have a damp finger. So you can just go onto the baby wipe to either damp your finger to smear the color, or to clean the finger before going into a new color, so you don't create the mud already on your fingertip, but just on the project. And I also like the fact, because it's that medium on the very base layer, you can also make some corrections with that baby wipe by just wiping the color you don't like away and applying new one, as I did now. And I think it's a very easy and fun technique, and something you don't see every time, so I just thought I could give it a try. I totally believe that mixed media projects need their frame, so I'm usually using this sponge tool and a black ink pad, and I'm just making sure that my whole project has a black frame, which gives it a nice edge. And now we are coming to the heat embossing fun. I have the Crafty Meraki canopy leaves. I totally love these leaf dies. They're very beautiful. And I'm using a brand new Marion Emerson powder, and this one is called Clear Ocean. I absolutely love all of Marion's teals, but this one could be a new favorite. I absolutely love this one. And because I wanted to make sure that I have a really intense coverage of the color, I made a double emboss. This means I just put my die cuts back into the embossing ink after the first time I did the whole process, and just did it again. So putting into my embossing ink, then pouring the embossing powder over it, and then making sure that everything is very nice heat set with my WOW embossing dual speed heat gun. I Sometimes I really like to have these very bold and well saturated pieces, and yeah, today was one of these days. After I have heat embossed my canopy leaves, I went to my stash and found very beautiful florilège design leaves, which I die cut in black. A wonderful butterfly that's designed by All and Create Stamps. And then I have this small wish die from a Crafty Meraki die set, which I die cut from double-sided adhesive. And now I'm just pouring the black onyx sparkle over it and can glue this onto my project, and I am done. This is mixed media in easy. I really hope you like the project. I hope you feel inspired to get creative and wish you a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.